Kamu kesenangan, Phil?
Yo, what's up?
Hello?
This threat, Phil. What up, motherfucker? I keep three, motherfucker, what? I'm the kind of nigga take your teeth out your mouth, nigga, chew your food up and put the shit back in your mouth, nigga, to help you swallow.
Hello?
Nigga, I'm wild.
Hello?
Nigga, I'll chop you up, put you inside the mattress like drug money, nigga.
Hello?
They call me threats, nigga. I've been making threats since I've been in kindergarten, nigga.
Hello?
And I'm so sincere.
Hello?
Nigga, I keep trash bags with me.
Hello?
Never know when you gotta dump a nigga out.
Hello?
Nigga, I'll throw a Molotov cocktail to your mama's house.
Hello?
Yo, what's up, Tip?
Hello?
This is sir.
What kind of one?
Nigga, what?
Hello?
Nigga, what's up?
What's up, nigga?
This threats, Phil.
Chinese kitchen.
Nigga, what's up?
Hello?
Nigga, I keep trash bags with me.
What do you want?
What? What? This threats.
Chinese kitchen.
They call me threats, nigga. I've been making threats since I've been in kindergarten, nigga. Who you think you dealing with? This threats, Phil.
Chinese kitchen.
Nigga, what's up?
What happened?
This is sir.
What happened?
What up, motherfucker? I keep three, motherfucker, what?
I call the police, okay?
Nigga, I'm wild. That's right. Yeah, I'm threatening you. Yeah, I'm threatening you.